$1,200 for one flower?
Love expensive.
Love no expensive, expectation expensive.
Baby, they almost reach. Queen, brother, last week she called you, bro.
Me invest in happiness.
Humble city. Invest. Your rent money due tomorrow.
At least me have somebody.
Peace, free.
Boss, all I know, me have to ask you something before you vanish. What exactly you win just now?
Win? What is pussy talking about? The man just disrespectful.
Disrespectful how? Because him no shout with you?
Yeah, man. Me I raise my voice, me I bring energy, and him just there like him on airplane mode.
So basically, you fight alone.
Nah, man. Yeah.
People they must say you lose the argument before you even started.
Them people don't know nothing. Hey, golly, suck your mother bubble clap.
About that, you sweat, your voice gone, and the man not even blink.
Them man, they are idiot.
Me believe you. You look like you need water, prayer, and a nap. Yeah, no disrespect.
Me like that sounds, golly.
Me not like how you start argument over public bench either. But here we are.
So what you say?
Me I say, next time you feel for show, check if the person even here. Because you just give the whole park a free comedy show.
Shut your bubble clap now.
If you see him again, what you gonna do?
Walk past him.
Smartest thing you say all day.
You ever notice that every time you buy something new, your face screw up like you suck lime?
Me face always like this. Me can't help if you're insecure, fool.
Insecure? Brother, me good. Me up.
Wait, your ego high, but your bank account wheezing.
Shut your mouth, little boy.
See, you vex quit, that mean true it you.
Me vex cause you bad mind. Whole lane know say you bad mind.
Bridget, if me bad mind you, me would mind your life. Me not fight for stress and car with style on a hill.
Every morning you rev engine like you audition for Fast and Furious Riverside Edition.
Us clean.
Clean? Brother, you hustle load. Whole scheme now when you get paid and when you broke.
Me telling you no, apa spirit energy off. Me feel it like when you know you left your pundi fire.
I feel something too. Starvation. If Appa knew lost, my soon lost.
Soka, focus. Appa missing.
My focus. Focus upon food.
Una looks for one big white flying cow thing, yeah?
Who's this Bob? What him name again? Marley? Suck your mother Rasta boy and tell me where's him.
Calm down, little boy. The white thing I hungry and me give him milk. He lay around at the back.
What kind of milk you give him?
Don't worry. Me a man would take care of things. So me give him my milk so he can feel good.
Me, Bubble Cup. You're a big man, and the horsey do them like things with Appa, the same animal, Rasta.
Alright, me they alive at the park. Earlier, things get heated, real heated. But only one man decide for just stand still. Boss, how long now this a gone?
10 minutes now. We stop count after 5.
10 minutes? Have you been standing there for the whole time?
We're comfortable.
Yo, may I talk to you, you know? Don't act like you don't hear me.
It would be sin if me bottle.
People them a say you're too calm for the situation. What really start the argument?
Him say me a stand too close to the park. Meanwhile, whole park wide.
Me say bare grass, bare walkway, bare space.
Exactly.
You think you're smart? Move and talk to me proper.
Me attack, me just standing.
No lie, the fact say you no move and make it worse.
Me not responsible for how people feel.
Some man them a call this aura behavior. You know what I mean?
Me not know about aura. Me just there.
The man just stand still and the place tense up. That crazy.
Boss, you not even lean or fidget. You not feel threatened.
If me feel threatened, me woulda move.
So you are disrespect me now?
Nah, me just standing.
Last question. If him start shout louder, what you go do?
Probably turn me head. Sun bright.
Respect.
Me done talk.
And just like that, argument done.
Me never move yet.
You hear it first. Sometimes the loudest man lose to the calmest one.
Me tell you no already. Something no right. Bob Marley say Appa was at the back and me go round the back. When me go looks for him, I don't see him. Rasta a baddie boy.
Me? I wonder if Rasta milk tea to good. And you sure Appa no gay blood class.
Sucker, Appa is an animal.
Me no care. Is Appa a male or female?
Me no know. Appa's one of my gang.
Brother, me find a fop him nearly mash up me food stand.
Him name Appa. Suck your mother Rasta. Tell me where's Appa before I show you why they call me the Avatar Rasta.
Alright, me tell no youths, me see him fly go east to the desert with a boy where one of his eye burn and them look serious.
Please do not tell me the boy was riding Appa was Zuko.
I know we should not trust that fire boy.
Clam down gang. Me know why Zuko gone with Appa, but it of to be important. Gang, we'll go to the desert.
Alright, We dey at the park because little argument just go on the bench they saw. Enough people say you stay real calm. What really happen?
Well, a little talk it did. Little talk we belong pan bench, not on stage.
People around you say the next man start raising voice first.
True, at a volume them usually use when them lose them dog.
That never trouble you?
No, sir, but it frighten the pigeon there.
Some people online say when you calm so, passive-aggressive thing. Why you say to that?
No, man, I just how me save energy while the next person spend them own emotion.
One time him stand up and you still sit down.
Standing up wouldn't make me argument better. Plus, the bench comfortable bad.
You feel raising your voice help you win argument?
If that did true, fire alarm would have, Professor.
While him a show, what did I run through your mind?
Mostly say, this a park, motivational shouting, or depend the rules.
If the person I watch this know, what you would I tell them?
Me hear you the first time. The volume never add no new meaning.
Last question. Any advice for people who argue in public?
The moment strangers start watch, already lose.
There you have it. Calm, clear, still sit down.
Aang, Sokka, and Hara. If all of one know they out at this place, it have to be important.
Toph, long time no see. Wish it was better news. But Zuko turned evil again and gone with Appa.
Look, we need some help. So are you coming along, Top? That's Zuko. Next time you see him, I will tell him to suck his mother.
I will help you guys. But do know where they are. Do even have a plan.
Uno, clam down. I feel like this is a misunderstanding. Zuko would not betray us without a good reasoning.
Misunderstand. From the start, I never liked that fire boy. Don't you see? He's turned on us.
Clam down, Sokka. I see your point, but Zuko is a friend. It'd have to be a good reason.
Top, don't look at me like that. Oh, wait.
Relax. The ground already told me you look stupid.
Good, because if you could see my face, you'd be jealous of how me handsome.
Handsomely ugly. I might be blind, but even I can sense that haircut. And that hairline, it worse than when Zoku did cut off his hair, and you know that shit was ugly.
And why are you trying not to laugh?
Sorry. You are right, Katara.
You should be calming them down.
Toph, can you use the ground to find anybody nearby?
Me found something over there. It's a man.
Where am I? Me taught. I was going the right way. I follow this map directly. Now I'm lost. I shouldn't drink so much rum.
That man looks like he's lost. There's no point ask him if he see Appa.
Toph, try search for anything underground.
I found an underground passage.
All right, gang, we going in the passage and found Appa.